Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO A1x and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So first of all we have to open the browser, and in my case it will be Google Chrome, but no worries, basically this operation looks quite similar in all other browsers which are commonly used. So let's open the browser, then in the Google Chrome let me tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on the history. And as you can see here, we've got the list of previously visited websites. And of course, if you want to, you can remove them manually, individually, one by one, just by tapping on this X button right next to it. But if in your case this list is so long, then I highly recommend to do it automatically. Just tap on the clear browsing data, and here we've got some basic and advanced options. So in basics, we've got the browsing history, cookies and site data, and cached images and files. And in advanced, we've got also saved passwords, auto-fill form data, and site settings. So if you want to remove something, just make sure that it is marked, and I will remove everything. What is more, we can change the time range from last hour to, for example, last 4 weeks. Let's tap on clear data if we are ready. And as you can see, we just got back to the history, which is right now empty, and it simply means that we just successfully removed basically everything. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to clear the browser in your OPPO A1x. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.